As you can see out there, it's a lot of crows. They're just hanging out. It's a lot of them. I'm not sure what they're looking for. Maybe there's some food or something, but it's a lot of them. They just landed, playing on the leaves. So I'm walking on the street over there. I haven't seen so many crows at the same time. Are they crows or are they ravens? Walking like bosses. Interesting. They're fighting. They scattered. Not sure what started them. You can see them flying around. Trees shedding leaves, change color. It's fall season.